Hey Vamshi, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, Venkat. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Hey, thanks for joining today. Thanks for your time and thanks for your
Yeah,
availability.
it's my pleasure joining you.
Yeah. Vamshi, could you tell us about a little bit about yourself, who you are, what you're doing now?
Yeah, I have done my masters and I've taken this course, vehicle dynamics with MATLAB and Adams.
Okay.
So, which helped me to get a job
Mm-hmm.
in the Adams parent company itself, MSC Software.
Yeah.
I guess the course has helped me in getting into it.
Yeah. By the way, Vamshi, congrats on your job as a consultant engineer at MSC Software. So,
Thank
could you let us know about when did you apply for this job and could you walk us through the interview experience?
Yeah, I've applied after completing this course. Just after 1 month of completion of this course, I've
Right.
applied to the role,
Okay.
and the interview process was uh, good. I mean, it was not that much easy and not that much tough.
Okay.
It was totally like they were asking the technical questions, and they were testing my knowledge on the operation of these tools,
Right.
Adams or Simulink. The course was helpful. Like just I got out of that course, that
Mhm.
experience has helped me to get through the interview.
So
So
you mentioned
yeah.
about you did a master's. So what was your undergraduation? When did you graduate, and what master's course did you do?
uh, I have done undergraduation in mechanical engineering
Okay.
and masters in automotive engineering. Like
Okay.
throughout my formal education, I was good in the technical knowledge,
Right.
but I was unaware how to actually industry uses it.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So what were you specifically looking for in a courses? Like how did you come to know about skilling, and why did you choose this particular course?
Yeah, I was randomly browsing to upskill myself in the
Okay.
internet.
Right.
Then I got to know about this skilling
Yeah.
and Surya Narayana, the founder. Like I saw some of his videos.
Right.
Like the way he explained,
Yeah.
uh, it actually matches the content. It is
Okay.
not just a false promises or anything. It
Hmm.
actually matches whatever he tells. He delivered it.
Right.
The team
Okay.
delivered it, I can say.
Thanks, Amshi. So could you let us
Yeah.
know a little bit more about the course content? So how was the course content, and what specifically you found it the most useful, and how it is helping in your current job?
Yes, I should say, it not just it actually bridged the gap,
Okay.
as he promised. It will definitely bridge the gap between the education and the industry requirement.
Okay.
So the content is not. I was expecting it might be totally on the tools,
Okay.
Adams or MATLAB. I was not expecting too much theoretical as well. So
Okay.
it is actually a good blend of both the technical and tool side. So the content was whatever they teach theoretically,
Yeah.
uh, they gave the same assignment.
Yeah.
So even the assignments were like a step-by-step procedure. The first assignment will be connected to the second assignment. It
Okay.
will be an extension of the second assignment.
Right.
So in that way, step-by-step learning was a good approach.
Okay. Thanks, Amshi. So could you also let us know
Yeah.
about your projects experience? What were the kind of projects you did in this course, and how was it useful?
Yeah, there was some quantical modeling and all the calculations, whatever we do on paper, the
Yeah.
same calculations were able to do it in a simulation.
Mhm.
So all I cannot name a specific project, but all the projects were equally important and
Okay.
equally enhancing.
Yeah. Thanks, Amshi. So what do you do in your current role? Could you describe about your role in some detail, please?
Yes, right now, as I told, I'm working with Adam. So
Yeah.
I work for services with the different companies. So I
Okay.
help them. I work along with the major OEMs
Mm-hmm.
and work on their projects in developing the uh, suspension related aspects. And even I have done this power steering with Adams.
Mm-hmm.
So I had got a good it all helped me.
All right. Yeah. Thanks, Amshi. So obviously, with a master's degree,
Yeah.
you are technically sound, and before joining
Yes.
the job, you have also taken our course. So, which part of the course do you think was specifically a new information for you, a completely new learning for you, that directly contributed to this?
Uh, Maybe it is not just for me. For the people who just come out of the university, or people who are in the undergraduate second year or third years, they will have the sound knowledge on
Mm-hmm.
engineering. But when it comes to practical, they will lack that experience how to use it, like
Mm-hmm.
how the industry uses.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, it actually helps to get that support, I
Okay.
can say.
Right. So, Amshi, could you describe your experience with the technical support team? So, your technical support engineer, how they followed up. Do you want to share that?
Yeah, technical support was always helpful.
Yeah.
The moment whenever I posted something,
Mm-hmm.
they would be like within some couple of say not even hours, like
Mm-hmm.
even in 15 or 20 minutes, they
Mm-hmm.
would be coming back with the answer.
Okay.
And even while I have any issues with the doing the assignment,
Mm-hmm.
they were helping with the small hints.
Right. Okay.
So this is where you went wrong. You can correct there.
Mm-hmm.
So like that, so many aspects they helped me.
Right. Thanks, Amshi. So, Amshi,
Yeah.
what would be your suggestion or your advice for people who want to get into the industry?
Yeah. So there are so many online platforms,
Mm-hmm.
say like MOOCs, maybe Udemy, Udacity. But when it comes to the smart learning, I
Mm-hmm.
would suggest the people to take up the courses from Skilling, because it actually helps to have a theoretical and both tool-based knowledge.
Right.
So even in this COVID times, there were no like operations, like academic operations or anything. So
Mm-hmm.
people will get that numb, will become numb.
Mm-hmm.
So it is better to take up courses, and it is a very good initiative by Skilling. They are having regular webinars with the industrial experts. So following up with all those things will give an understanding of how the industry is actually going on.
Thanks, Amshi. Hey, thanks for sharing your experience, Amshi, and we wish you the very best.